Otodo Gbame is a riverine community in the outskirts of Lekki, Etiosa local government area of Lagos State. The major occupation among residents here is fishing. Otodo Gbame residents are certainly not experiencing the best of times, as they have now been forced to eject their homes and jobs, owing to the destruction of virtually all their structures by agents of the Lagos State government who invaded the area last weekend, the third time in 5 months. What used to be a bubbling community has suddenly become a shadow of itself. All we can find here is relics of destroyed buildings. Otodo Gbame community residents are calling for just a little sensitivity from the government, empathy and justice.
I'm full Nigerian man, but the situation I see now in Nigeria, I'm tired to be a Nigerian. I don't struggle in my life going outside country to struggle, but now look at the way they struggle. They frustrate me. All the things I bring to outside I get. Nigeria don't frustrate me. My children, my wife, look at them. There, a whole man can sleep in outside with rain, with mosquito and everything. No, I don't like that. Who are Nigerian? I regret to be Nigerian.
The way they not pursue us is because we are loyal to the government. Understand? That's why we will still remain for here. The government just pity us. We know who is in the dust cutter, they don't pursue us for any find something to give us. We go set our family to go set on that place.
Another resident told Galaxy News how she watched helplessly when some men dressed in military uniforms shot sporadically into the air to ward off resistance, leading to the death of her daughter and son-in-law.
Agbero people, they give them cloth, they give them police cloth, they carry gun, they can shoot my husband. Yesterday,
police cloth.
When they wear and come here, they kill my pikin husband. They kill him. Day for yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday Sunday, they kill my pikin. Go. They kill him yesterday. He blood there for inside the boat. Now you come and go for mortuary. You draw my pikin husband away there from mortuary and they there now.
Meanwhile, some Nigerians have been reacting to the demolition exercise by the Lagos State government.
When I heard of the news, I personally went to Otodo Gbame to witness firsthand what was going on. And what was reported was what I saw, that the police officers and the agents of the environment ministry were themselves setting fires on properties, houses, and clothing of the people.
We remind the Lagos State government of Nigeria's national, its constitutional obligations, its regional and international obligations to guarantee the right to adequate housing to all residents.
Speaking to Galaxy News, the Commissioner for Police Lagos State, Fatai Woshini, exonerated government from the destruction of buildings and killing of one member of the community, attributing it to the handiwork of violent community members.
Some people, some individuals, under the cover of the civil society and human rights, are the ones that are profiting from spreading false information about Otodo Gbame. No one, no policeman, and I can also say by extension, government, was involved in the destruction of that place.
Over 4,000 persons have been displaced in this community, including vulnerable children. What will become of these residents is anyone's guess. Reporting from Otodo Gbame in Lekki area in Lagos State, Joseph Oko, Galaxy News.